Oh. How many of you, this is your first cruise? Awesome. We're glad you're here. We hope you come back next year. Why don't you say hello to this guy in the red shirt, Brad? Brad won the last. He's the guy to follow. If you don't know where you're going on the course, Brad. Let me tell you about the course real quickly. The mile markers are on the pavement in white chalk, as well as turn arrows. See a turn arrow, that's where to go. I'll tell you right now, mile marker 4 and mile marker 5 did not fare well in the rain.
Okay, we'll be way back here.
Oh yeah, we'll be way back there.
Very, very important. No time.
Rip the sucker in half.
You get to West Valley Real Estate. There left. Stay on the sidewalk. You're on the highway, you cut the course, and
Five on each hand.
stay on the sidewalk or the path when you get on the Ready, Les? Hey, I want you to say hi to Les. This is the guy that not only sets off the Anvil, he's responsible for our fireworks. Hi, Les! Hello! Don't run over the camera. Okay, runners. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Shit, dude. Where is this? Oh, it didn't go nowhere. I did. Anvil fail.
Did you get that recorded?
Yeah.
Like a video?
Yeah.
Oh, hell
It didn't go nowhere. Huh?
yeah. Shit, I mean, I guess it's better it didn't go nowhere than it didn't go in and out here.